Kairos Power's mission is to enable the world's transition to clean energy with the ultimate goal of dramatically improving people's quality of life while protecting the environment. To do this, we know that we need to pursue a technology which is affordable and safe. The ETU gives us a major iteration which is going to allow us to identify approaches so that we can reduce further the cost for manufacturing and construction of our reactor technology.
So the rapid iterative development process is something that is central to Kairos' strategy, in particular how we're going to develop nuclear technology faster and at lower cost than many people believe is possible. One of the key lessons from the SpaceX model is that to a very large degree their cost savings are possible because of their really strong vertical integration process. The idea that we were given advice early from people with direct knowledge there that if you care about cost and schedule, then you have to take something in-house so that you control it.
It's really important to tackle the problems that are really hard when it comes to vertical integration. When we started the program, we recognized that the graphite reflector structure within our reactor unit has a lot of unique attributes, and the ability to actually control the manufacturing of that reflector structure, the series of 300 odd blocks that make up the engineering test unit reflector structure, provided a lot of value. When we received the reactor vessel, we had some challenges with the vessel being out of tolerance, which actually required us to remachine the blocks. So one of the true major values around the vertical integration is it allows us to control cost and schedule. So when we have these out of tolerance issues and we need to go remachine those blocks, we don't have to go back to the supplier, see if they have availability. We take them about 50 yards over to our manufacturing space. We're able to remachine them, and we're able to get the type of final design features that we ultimately want.
Things are always going to be different on the floor in real life than they are on a drawing or in a computer model. That certainty is not just good for us as a company to know that what we're doing is working, but it's also impactful for outside stakeholders looking in to have confidence that Kairos is taking the necessary steps to move forward and doing so not in a theoretical environment, but in an environment where we've known that we can do it because we've seen it happen.
We want to be an effectively vertically integrated company where we can go through that entire design, build, and test cycle very quickly and very efficiently, and giving our team the opportunity to get that experience and recognize the value of that integration is one of the core elements and goals of all of the engineering testing iterations.